Hey guys, we are here today to teach you about the animal cells and the role they play. So what's in this type of cell, you ask? Well, we'll wrap this part to you in these nicely colored hats. Cytoplasm, lysosome. There are a couple that make do. Well, we'll start this with the nucleus. It's kind of cool. It's the brain of the cell. It tells it what to do. It's a safe place for the chromosomes. It's where they reside. They store DNA with lots of pride. The precious DNA controls our genes. I'm wearing a pair right now.
Nuh-uh.
Now let's talk about the mitochondria. Without this part of the cell would die, and that would be a sin. It's a powerhouse. It makes all of the energy. It allows it to move. That's why the mitochondria is cool as this groove. What's that nicely colored jelly fluid doing inside the cell? Oh, it's the cytoplasm, a very nice gel. Its job is to keep the parts of the cell in place. It keeps them all floating and fills up the space.
Hey guys, we're here today to teach about the animal cell and the role they play. So what's that type of cell, you ask? We'll wrap the rest of this to you with these nicely colored hats. Hey, what's next? It's a ribosome. It makes lots of proteins and it works alone. They categorize all the cell proteins. They are spread out throughout the cell. Many are hidden. Let's go to the vacuole. It's very fat. It stores water and energy, but it's also in charge. It's enclosed in the cell. Now let's move on to another part of the cell. What's that system of membranes that I'm thinking of? Oh yeah, it's the endoplasmic reticulum. Its job is to transport proteins and other materials. It's made of rough proteins and other smooth materials. The Golgi apparatus, what a cool name is that. It's made of things like membrane vesicles and sacs that store packaged proteins which are sent out of the cell through vesicles that travel into parts of the cell that need help. Now we're at the lysosomes. What does it do? It stores digestive enzymes so the cell can break down food. Lysosomes can also recycle cell parts once they're old and useless. It brings light into the dark. Oh no, I can't get out. The boundary's too tough. The cell membrane takes in a lot of different stuff. It keeps things protected and it doesn't let them go.
Drop the cell.